Hey guys, so here I am doing yet another unboxing. This one is kind of exciting, kind of not, kind of but it is fountain pen related. So let's get to it. This is from Pen Chalet. I know I had said that I wasn't going to buy any more Twsbi pens because, let's be real, don't need them, first of all. Second of all, they're all kind of the same. But I fell for this one. I fell for it. So let me get this out of here real quick. So here it is. I did it. I didn't want to do it, but I did it. I ordered the Echo. This is the Smoke and Rose Gold. And I ordered mine in a medium. I didn't want to do it, but I kind of had to, and I'm going to show you why. I know that I'm not a collector of Twsbi pens, because if I was, I wouldn't have sold all my limited edition ones that may never come back. But for some reason, I am totally drawn to the rose gold that they're putting out. So it's pretty. It is a little translucent, but not terribly so. But it's enough to see the nib inside. Again, just rose gold nib. See, the reason why I ordered this is because obviously it had to match the white in rose gold. And then, of course, I have the Smoke and Rose Gold 580. I don't know where this one would fit. There, maybe? And then I have the White and Rose Gold 580 Mini. So it's a theme now, and I can't, like, I couldn't help my... Oh, wait, there's a dog here. Sorry. I basically just couldn't help myself. So there it is. Should we ink it? I think we should. Oh my god, but look how pretty they look all together, though. Don't they? I'm gonna ink it. Let's see what I'm gonna ink it with. And this is where our handy dandy little ink journal comes in. I don't want to go matchy-matchy with this. Not really. Should I do Velvet Storm? I don't think I've ever used that ink. I do want to do shimmers. I just used this one and that one. And that one. But I think I'm going to do a Velvet Storm, actually. So, what page is that on? 16. Yeah, see, I've never inked a pen with it, so good choice, good choice. I know these I've used before, so. Handy dandy water paper towels. Velvet Storm by Robert Oster. Let's ink this baby. Normally I kind of rinse it out a little bit, but not today. I'm feeling a little impatient. I want to see how it writes straight out of the box. Wait. No, I don't ink my pens all the way. I usually hardly ever do. More like never. Just because, you know, I want to get through them fast enough so I can put all my ink to use on all my pens. Rotation is key. There we go. Inked. You can see that the ink has pulled into the feed. There's an air bubble in there, but that's fine. I don't mind. So let's see how it writes. Oh, it's actually quite smooth. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. Wow. See, the reason why I'm acting all shocked and surprised. Oh my god. Sorry, my dog is just all over the place. I should put like booties on her. Maybe she won't make so much noise on my floors. The reason why I'm so surprised that this was so smooth out of the box is because when I first bought my white rose gold, the nib was super scratchy. Super scratchy. So I ended up getting rid of it. They actually sent me a replacement nib. And I had the same issue anyways. Did I? Yes. So I ended up selling it. And then, and just buying a new one. And I do believe this is a medium nib, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. As opposed to a fine. So this is a fine, and it wrote very smoothly, straight out of the box. No issues at all whatsoever. Pen Chalet had them like $10 cheaper on their website for the pre-order. Which I ended up doing that. And then I ended up buying ink samples, which are on back order. In any case, pretty fast shipping considering today is Monday and these officially released on Friday. So I'm really happy about that. Yeah, I like the Echo. I always have. It's not that I hate the pens. I'm just not into collecting all the different colors anymore. But they keep putting out rose gold stuff, and I'm gonna keep buying rose gold stuff. Just saying. But there you have it. Twsbi unboxing, Smoking Rose Gold Echo, medium nib. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys later.